everyone, it's Nicole here, and I'd like to say a big welcome and thank you for joining me for lesson number 5 in my YouTube series of how to pronounce difficult English words. I hope that you've really enjoyed the lessons so far, and if you haven't seen them, please go back and watch lessons 1 through to 4. I guarantee that you'll learn something new and find them helpful. If you enjoy this lesson and the other videos that I have on my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button or give me a like or even a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And why not share this video with family and friends who you think would benefit from a pronunciation lesson as well? Anyway, what are we learning today? I've chosen some great words to focus on. The first word I've chosen is the word business. Why have I chosen this one? Because many people find this word difficult. Even native speakers I've heard pronounce this incorrectly. So let's learn how to say it properly together. We have got business, business. Can you try that? Well done. So the letters that I've written there in capitals are simply because I want you to say them more not more quickly. What am I saying? More loudly. Okay. They're the emphasized sounds in this word. Business. Business. Your turn. Well done. That was perfect. So it's not busyness or anything like that. It's just 2 syllables here, 2 sounds. Business. Your turn. Well done. Okay, moving on. The next word we've got is the word tough. And something tough is something really difficult, okay? It's tough. So pronunciation of this, much easier if it's written like this, isn't it? It's simply tough with an F sound there. Tough. Tough. Your turn. Very good. Tough. Easy. Moving on. The next word I've got is the word hilarious. And if something is hilarious, it is so funny. You know, it's the extreme of funny. It's super funny, I suppose you could say. Hilarious. The pronunciation of this is lair, us, hilarious, hilarious. You try. Perfect. Hilarious, hilarious. Try a bit faster. Hilarious. That's it. Well done. Feel free to pause the video or rewind if you need to. Next word we've got is the word pollution. And obviously we all know the meaning of pollution when we, destroy our planet, I suppose, when the air quality is not pure and fresh. Pollution. Are you ready? We've got shin, pollution. That's it. Well done. Do it again. Pollution. Perfect pronunciation, everyone. Well done. The next word I have is the word digest. Digest. And if you digest something, it's really your stomach doing all the hard work after you've eaten something. Breaking down the food, I suppose. So we've got jest. Digest. Digest. Your turn. Well done. Digest. Perfect. Really, really well done. Congratulations. So they're the words that we've learnt together today. I really hope that you found this lesson helpful. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments below. And again, as I said, if you've got any words that you'd like to learn the pronunciation of, send them to me and I'll add them to a future learning video. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, and become part of my YouTube channel by subscribing. Thank you so much. Come back again for lesson number 6, and don't forget to practice the pronunciation of the words that you learnt today. Thanks, everyone. Bye.